The Empire State Building dominates Midtown Manhattan. This time, we're looking back toward Lower Manhattan from the observation deck of the Empire State Building. The building with the pointed gold tower is the New York Life Building. A similar view at night. Phyllis and Brenda are enjoying the view from the observation deck of the Empire State Building. They're looking up at the tower on top of the building.
How do the trains go out of there? Below.
Penn Station is in the center. These buildings include the New York Times Building and the McGraw-Hill Publishing Building. The Citicorp Building. The Chrysler Building. And a view looking directly north towards Central Park.